Most people get this wrong when they think about moving to the UK through a company. They assume that simply registering a UK LTD automatically gives them residency or a right to live there. That misunderstanding leads to disappointment and wasted effort. Here's the truth no one tells you. Starting a UK LTD company does not give you residency by itself. But it can become a powerful pathway when combined with the right visa route, business activity, and compliance strategy. In this video, you'll learn how foreigners actually use a UK LTD company in 2026 to move closer to residency, what visa routes are involved, and the exact steps people take to make it work legally. Let's start with the foundation. A UK LTD company is registered through Companies House. This allows you to legally operate a business in the UK, even as a non-resident. You can fully own it from abroad, and many entrepreneurs do exactly that. Now here's where most beginners fail. They think company registration equals relocation. It doesn't. A company is only the starting point. To actually move to the UK, you need a visa route that allows you to live and work there. One of the most common pathways is the skilled worker route, or entrepreneur-based options, like the Innovator Founder Visa. But here's the problem. Many people set up the company first without aligning it with any visa strategy, and then they struggle to convert it into a relocation plan later. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A properly structured UK LTD can significantly improve your ESA chances. Why? Because it shows real business intent, UK market activity, and financial credibility. Entrepreneurs like Alex from India or Sarah from the UAE often use their UK company as proof of active business operations. In a minute, I'll show you how smart founders structure their UK company so it actually supports their visa application instead of working against it. Let's break the process into simple steps. First, you register your UK company with proper compliance details. Second, you open a business bank account and start real transactions. Third, you build actual business activity such as clients, invoices, or partnerships. Fourth, you apply for a visa route that aligns with your business model. But here's the mistake most people make. They create a company but never activate it. No revenue, no clients, no operations. When they later apply for visas, it looks inactive and weak. To make this strategy work, your company must show real substance. That includes a website, customer activity, financial records, and a clear business model that fits the UK market. Now, let's simplify it. A UK company alone does not move you. A UK company with real business activity, combined with the right visa route, can become a relocation pathway. To summarize, starting a UK LTD is step 1, not the destination. The real success comes from building it into a functioning business that supports your visa application and long-term residency goals. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more clear guides on moving and building businesses in the UK the right way.